Dr. C here. So as you can see, this is the 1 gram sample of the unknown in our stearic acid, and it's completely melted. So I'm gonna spin it around for you guys without burning myself. Now, last week we gave you guys riddles and some trivia and some funny jokes. This week we had a request of, could we do something different? Could we do something like music? So, Dr. Burtz will do something a little differently, but what I'm gonna do is I'm going to play music from some of my favorite movies, and your job is to guess what movie it's from. All right, so you can see, whoops, I didn't mean to make it all squeaky. That says 1 gram sample, so we're on the 1 gram sample. Let me get it where it's zoned in there again. All right, and we're gonna start when the temperature of the liquid reaches 85 degrees Celsius is when we're gonna start. So you got some time before you need to do that. So, and you should be able to see, yeah, we're in the range, so you'll be able to see everything you need in there. All right, so we just now hit 85, so we're good there. So I'm gonna start stirring. And so you need to start your timer and start doing that. And while we're doing that, I'm gonna press the first one. I'm gonna start you off with an easy video while you're trying to figure it out and figure out these temperatures. Hopefully you can hear it. If you have no idea what movie this is, you need to go do research and watch this movie, all of them. Hold on, my thermometer keeps moving on you guys so that you can see the temperature. There we go. Whoop. I'll just do it like that for now. There we go. Here, I'll just stir with 2 hands so that you can still see the thermometer. All right. So that's one movie, so you can figure that one out. I'm gonna play another one. Whoops. Oh, well that worked. Another movie. I'll tell you, I'll give you a hint. This is a series, a movie series. Let's see. I'll play another song from the same series. Let's see. I think that one. You should know that one too. I don't know. I'm really good at soundtracks. So I listen to soundtracks like all the time. If you go to my office, there's soundtracks. This is the same movie, just in case you need more help. All right, I'm gonna pick another one. This is actually from my all-time favorite movie. So if you asked me what my all-time favorite movie is, it would be this one. So this is a way to kind of figure out what's my favorite movie. Because it has everything I think you need in a movie. So you can think about my personality. What would I want in a movie? So crystallization is starting to form, if you want to notate that. You've got crystals starting to form. Hopefully you guys can hear this. You're really lame if you can't. I'm trying to get you guys to hear all of it. So if you have no idea what they are, or if you want to check if you're wrong or right, you're welcome to email me and say, Dr. C, I think this was the video. Tell me the timestamp on the video, the YouTube video that you're watching, so that I know which one you're talking about. Because I'm going to forget the order that I'm telling you these in. For you guys that had no idea any of the ones I just played, if you do not know this one, you've been living... Oh, hold on, commercial. If you don't know this one, you're living under a rock. Literally a rock. It'll get to the point where if you don't know it, I'll be like, you should know it at this point. So remember, we're going to go until you get 4 plateau points, which we're not quite there yet. And it's almost to the point where I can't stir anymore. I love this movie. You guys are getting to see, like, what movies do Dr. C? What does she watch when she's bored? What does she like to listen to? Best part is I can actually listen to these and tell you the exact moment in each movie where the song is. Like if I listen to a whole soundtrack, I could tell you the name of the song and where it's currently located. I could probably even tell you this, like what's being said at that moment in the movie as well. I did this in grad school. I used to sit in my office when I was writing my dissertation and listen to themes, soundtrack music, and then my office mate, they would start playing random soundtracks and quiz me. And as long as I'd seen the movie, I was okay. Every once in a while they play one, I'm like, what is that from? And I'm like, I haven't seen that. But otherwise, alright, we are like completely frozen. So I'm gonna watch, because I think we're close to the point where you've had your 4 points. Alright, I'm gonna do one more.
There's a terrible curse that plagues guitar players once they reach the intermediate stage.
You gotta love ads. This is the last movie series. If you don't know it from this one part, you've been sleeping under a rock as well. Dr. Burks knows them all. So if Dr. Burks knows them, you're good.
Not all of them.
Alright, so I think we're done. So that was trial 1 For our sample of 1 gram of unknown, 10 grams of stearic acid. So on the next video, we will do the 1 gram again for trial 2.